LDV maxus 2008. Now, the inside door handle opens the door, great, no problem. You see how much movement there is there? Now, on the outside, lean round, and it's fully pressed in, it's not detaching on the back very easily. Simple, easy fix to this. As you open this here, you see this little yellow tab open up. Just in that space there, you want to be putting a zip tie. So, just inside there, when this arm moves across as you open the door handle, pop that through there, and it'll act as a bit of a washer. I'll just put that in and back right to you. So, as you can see, I've fed that through there now. I'll just zip this down, so it goes right down to there, tie it off, cut it off, then it should act as a bit of a spacer, this allowing the outside door to be easier to open. Just like that, nice and tight. And now, it acts as a bit of a buffer between these two. The door should open a lot easier from the other side. What I'll do is cut that bit off now and be good to go.